Hi guys, welcome back to Danae's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm sharing with you this quick and easy meal. Make sure you all watch the entire video. Please subscribe and also don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you guys for stopping by. So the chicken is nice and clean now. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to drizzle some avocado oil on them. If you don't have avocado oil, you can use olive oil. Then I'm going to start with my dry seasoning, which is onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, smoked paprika, Italian seasoning, and some seasoned to the bone season that I brought from Jamaica, and some cornstarch. And I'm going to rub that together and leave it to marinate for about 20 to 25 minutes before I put them in the air fryer to cook. Now it's time to put them in the air fryer, and I'm going to set it at 400 degrees for 20 minutes. If you want it to have a darker color, you can do it for like 22 to 25 minutes depending on the color of your choice. So I'm going to pop them in there, leave them to cook, and then I'm going to head on to make the sauce. So I'm going to be making the sauce, which is 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, some olive oil, minced garlic. I'm going to let that simmer for a few minutes, then add some heavy cream, about half cup of heavy cream, the same seasoning that was used to season the chicken. Some can be added to the sauce as well, along with some Cajun seasoning. I'm going to let that simmer for a few, then add some grated Parmesan cheese and stir and let that simmer until it thickens. Then we're going to use that to coat the chicken, and then the chicken should be done. So this is the finished look of the Cajun Alfredo chicken wings that was done in the air fryer. I didn't get to record to show you guys when I was basting with the sauce, but this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and thank you so much for watching.